Hey nerds, this is Mr. Tui here at UnlimitedTutor.com. We're working on SAT practice test number 1, section 3, question 5. And here's the question. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? Now, about 90% of the time when you see on the SAT or ACT for that matter, when you see a question that says, which of the following is equivalent? You've got some expression with variables in the question, then you've got a bunch of answer choices with those same variables. What you can do is just create some values that you plug into the original question, calculate what that expression is with those values, and then plug those same values for the variables into the answer choices and see what matches up. That works about 90% of the time. You can do that here. It's going to be pretty time consuming if you do that just because you've got so many sets of variables. It's actually easier just to do the algebraic operation here and combine like terms. So that's what we're going to do. There is one tricky part to this problem, though, and that you've got that minus sign in between the two sets of expressions in parentheses. You've got to distribute that negative sign. So I'm going to rewrite this original expression without the parentheses and having distributed that negative sign across in the second expression in parentheses. So let's rewrite this guy. We've got x squared y minus 3y squared plus 5xy squared. Be very careful here to make sure that you're not making any silly copying errors. A lot of the problems students make on the SAT just involve copying the wrong thing down, so we're going to be extra careful here. Plus, and I'm distributing that negative sign, plus x squared y plus 3x y squared. See, I've already made a mistake here. I've got to distribute that negative. Boop. That's where they get you. All right. Plus 3y squared. All right. So I'm going to double check, make sure I haven't made any copying errors. Everything's looking good. All right, we're good. Okay, great. Now I'm going to combine like terms. Let me show you the method I like to use for this. First, I like to identify, I'm just going to match up two sets of terms that have the same variables. So I'm going to start with this first one here on the left-hand side. That's x squared y. I'm going to underline it. Then I'm going to see if I can find another set of variables that match up, x squared y, and I see one right here, x squared y. Great. Now I'm going to combine those. X squared y plus x squared y is just 2x squared y. That's easy. Now this is a part that I like to do is I like to scratch out the variables once I've combined those like terms. We're done with them. We don't need them at all. And just getting rid of them visually, I think it makes it much easier to combine the remaining like terms and prevent any silly mistakes. All right, so let's see if we can find another matching set of variables. And I see some right here. We've got negative 3y squared. That minus sign doesn't go away just because I've eliminated the previous set of variables. So minus 3y squared and then a plus 3y squared right here. Well, that's really easy to combine. Anything plus its opposite is nothing, so I'm just going to cancel those out. I'm going to need to write anything out. It's 0. They are gone. Adios. Great. And I'm left with just 5x squared y minus 3x squared y. 5x squared y minus 3x squared y is 2x y squared, I should say. I apologize. xy squared. And then that's it. That's what we're left with. I can't combine those anymore, and I see that actually matches up with answer choice C, which is the correct answer. Answer choice C. Check out my website, unlimitedtutor.com. Sign up for my unlimited tutoring program.